Hi guys, how are you? This is Alan from Hirose Financial. How are you today? For today, I've been looking at the market before I started the video, and then I noticed it's in most of the markets are in range market. So for today, I'm just gonna trade with the strategy for range market, which is the combination of Bollinger Bands and MACD. So as well in as I mentioned, I take a look at the market before I started the video, and I noticed the market today is not really ideal for trading. So for today, while I trade, I will explain it to you what is the market condition that is not ideal for trading. So make sure to watch the video until the end, so just get the correct idea on when you should not trade. So first let's set up the technical indicators. Let's go to technical indicators. So that little guy right there. So click on it, and then we will select the Bollinger Bands. Yep, click on Bollinger Bands, and then open the drop down. Okay, so I already select all the lines on the left there, and then keep the one on the right. So okay, that's down, and then we will go to oscillator, and then select the MACD. Okay, so open the drop down for MACD. Yep, open the drop down, and then for today, we are using a 5, 35, and 5 parameter. So again, EMA1 is 5, EMA2 is 35, signal is 5. So after you get that down, close the technical indicators window. So the last thing I need to mention is that for today, I'm trading with a 10 seconds chart period with 30-second option periods. So the setups are all down, so we can now try to make a few more trades. Okay, so let's take a look at the market here. So now I can see that the price is actually heading to no particular direction, and I know that this is a range market and which is suitable for trading with Bollinger Bands and MACD. First what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna place a trade, and then I will explain to you how I open this trade. So I placed a high there. So the timing for you to place a high is that you first need to wait for the candlestick to approach to the lower band, and then I need the two lines in MACD to cross over. Blue line needs to be above the red line, and then at the same time I should see a green histogram coming out. So after these three criteria are met, I can open a high option, and then that's what I did there. And then now the price just jumps straight up, and then I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get this one here. Okay, the trade is finished, and then I make $35 profit. So I'm just gonna browse a little bit more, and I guess I'm gonna stay at this one here. As you see, the candlestick has touched the upper band, and meaning my chances is coming. Okay, just wait for a bit more, just waiting for the MACD to cross over. Now I placed a low. So the timing for you to place a low is first you need to wait for the candlestick to approach to the upper band, and then next the MACD crossover. The blue line is below the red line, and at the same time I should have a purple histogram coming out, and that's what I do there. And now I think I'm gonna lose this trade here. So but now you see the candlestick is touching the upper band again, so I'm just gonna open another trade here. Okay, so just now I just regret instant after I placed that trade. So because you see the candlestick approach the upper band, but then it takes a while for the MACD to cross over, and then that time when I open the trade, I know that I opened the trade too late, and the signal doesn't really match to each other, and that's why I lost that trade just now. So this is okay. I'm getting the loss back from this one here. So this trade is ended in profit. So just gonna browse a little bit more. Maybe I will change the currency pair just to take a look at other currency pair, just other movement, just to see if it works. Okay, so okay, I placed a high here. Just place a high. So the timing for me to place a high again is when the candlestick touches with the lower band, and then I need the MACD to cross over. But then now in here you see when I place that trade, the histogram didn't come out, the green histogram doesn't come out. That means I actually got tricked by the false signal, and then now the trade is really close, and I think, I hope it stays there so I can end in draw. So yep, it stays and end in draw, no loss and no profit. So as you see here, the timing I opened the trade is actually correct, but then the market just doesn't go as I wanted. So because you see here, the price movement is actually really strong, that actually have a lot of sudden jumps and sudden falls. And then if you see candlesticks movement like this, like the one I circle here, so with a really tiny dodgy candlestick, and then right after that is a big jump there. So if you see movements like this, do not trade, because the market is not stable. So if you place a trade there, the next candlestick, the next price movement might be jumps up suddenly or fall suddenly. So this is actually not an ideal market for you to trade with. So the ideal market for you to trade with is actually when the candlestick develop gradually. So when it develop gradually, the price is actually more stable, and then it's actually has higher profit chance for you as well if you trade in the gradual market movement. Okay, so I'm just gonna risk another one here. So okay, so I'm just gonna place a low there. Okay, so I placed a low, so because the candlestick approach to the upper band, and then I have the MACD crossover, and then when I place the trade, the MACD actually crossover, and then I have a purple histogram. But then after that it just disappears. So now the trade is actually quite I'm not sure which way it's gonna go, but again, this is not an ideal market to trade with. So after this trade, I will just stop there. So I will just call it for a day, because the market is not ideal. So okay, I end up in profit, but then it was really close. So for today, I make 5 trades, and then 3 will end in profit, and then 1 loss and 1 draw, and then the total profit has come to $55. So again, if you see sudden movements in candlesticks, or when you see a lot of dodgy, like a line, just a flat line, that means it's not an ideal market for you to trade with, which I did today, and then that's why the result is not as good as what I normally do. So anyway, I will call it for a day, and because I'm still ending in profit, so which is not bad. So have any question on when to trade and when not to trade, just simply put down a comment down there, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. So that's it for today, and if you like my video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more live trading video, and I will see you soon again tomorrow. Bye.